Welcome to my channel SPCC. In this channel, I'll be posting videos related to system programming and compiler construction, intermediate code generation and code generation. So in my previous video about intermediate code generation, quadruple, triple and indirect triple, I have spoke something related to syntax tree and direct acyclic graph. So many of them ask a query like how to draw a syntax tree and how to draw a direct acyclic graph. Yes, today's video is about how to draw or how to find out the difference or how to express the syntax tree and direct acyclic graph. So this example was already covered in my previous video where I spoke about what is the definition of a syntax tree and what is the definition of a direct acyclic graph and what is the difference in their representation. The main difference in the representation is in direct acyclic graph we will not be repeating any variables. See, for example, comparing this two graph and two structure, we find B star U minus C, that is a structure or the variables that are getting repeated in the terms of syntax tree, but it is only used only once in terms of direct acyclic graph. If you have not seen my previous video, I have given the link in the description box, kindly check that. Now let's move on to the example. So the first example is A star B plus C minus D star A star B plus B. Many of them have the doubt like how to start and where to start, whom to pick first and how to draw in the order. So the question or the answers for those questions is like you just take a paper and pencil or pen along with me and you can continue drawing this. So first one is like taking the brackets first. Also considering the operators and focusing on how to draw from left to right. Okay, so first see A star B. So I have written A, B and star as my first symbol. Okay, now what is my next bracket? C minus D. Now C, D and minus. Okay, now what is the meaning of this node? The meaning of this node is this will store the answer of multiplication of A star B and this will store the answer of multiplication of C minus D. So similarly next symbol is A star B. So A, B and a star symbol. So here we are repeating the structure because this is a syntax tree. Now what is my next step? I have to focus on the operator which have higher precedence from left to right. So my multiplication has higher precedence. So meaning of this is C minus D is multiplied by A star B. Now C minus D is stored here, A star B is stored here. So now these two are connected along with the symbol of my star operation. Right? Now why we have not considered this plus? Because this have less precedence considered to my multiplication operator. Now what is the next precedence operator here? Next operator is my addition, but I have a confusion whether I have to take this plus or this plus. So when we have a associativity, we go from left to right. So we have to process this first and then we go for the this symbol. So let's draw this. I will take this and this together, right? Then I will take a symbol called plus. Now what is the last and the least pending? My B. So my B here, and what it is doing? It is doing a addition of my final value. Okay, now the syntax tree or the bottom up tree syntax tree is ready for my given question. Now let's go for the direct acyclic graph for the same question. Okay, so direct acyclic graph, again the same thing, but what I do here is I understand that what is the operation to be done is C minus D star A star B, and again this A star B is repeated here. Okay, so anyhow I don't have to draw this A star B twice. So I go from C minus D and A star B. Okay, these two is very clear to you. Now the basic question arises here is what to do after this. What to do after this is also fine. We go for this multiplication symbol. Up to this is also fine. Right? Now what we have to do next? What we have to do next is we have to add this A star B with this result. Okay, now what is the result? C star D minus C minus D star A star B, and the result is stored here. Now that value has to be added with A star B. Now my A star B is here. So what I do here is little bit difficult or something tedious to understand, plus, but the basic thing is, if you remember, the node is having the result A star B, and this node is having the result of C minus D star A star B. So this has to be added. So this has to be added. So what I do here is, I connecting this and this. Okay. Now what is the last step? I have to add the entire result with B. So the entire result is stored here, right? So I have to, now what do I have to draw B again? No, I have to utilize the same B. So I am doing this. So if you compare this syntax tree and direct acyclic graph, we have not repeated the structure A star B and we have not repeated the variable B. So it might be little bit confusing to you. I will be explaining one more example so it will make you clear. Now we'll go for syntax tree again. Why I am doing syntax tree is to make you understand the difference between syntax and direct acyclic graph for the same example. And these two questions are university questions for your information. So now go for a syntax tree. Syntax tree is very simple. I hope you also agreed on the same point. A pipe symbol B is done. Then next bracket is again A, B, pipe symbol. Okay. Now next symbol is C, star, D. Done. These three structures done. Now who is having next higher priority is my multiplication between B and C star D. So we'll go for this star. Now what is the next operation? I have to add my plus to this. My final answer is done. Now if you observe, this structure is repeated. Now what we have to do? We have to minimize this entire structure, and this connection has to be done here. That is the difference between syntax tree and direct acyclic graph. So I am doing the same thing for you for direct acyclic graph also. I am not going to do twice. I am going to do only once. A, pipe symbol B, right? Then C, star, D. Okay, C star D is done. Now we'll go for this multiplication symbol also. Up to this, my syntax tree and DAG is repeatedly same. Now what is my last step? I have to add that with A pipe symbol B. The answer of A pipe symbol B is already stored here, and that has to be multiplied with the entire result. So I just join these two and I say a pipe symbol. Now what is the difference between this diagram and my previous diagram? This A pipe symbol B symbol was repeated twice. Here I am utilizing the same structure and I am drawing my direct acyclic graph. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.